Hi, Jefferson Jaguars. This is Mr. Cater giving you your weekly update for intermediate algebra the week of September 21st to the 25th and a few days beyond. Here's the deal. This week's learning topics, you guys, are graphing lines, graphing points, and then a practice quiz. And that practice quiz is going to get you ready for the real first summative quiz that you have this year. So this week is kind of an important week because there's a bunch of stuff that's going to end up being due. That's actually due by next Tuesday, the 29th. So you want to make sure that you get all these homeworks done. You should have had these done last week. These are the new ones for this week. And then Thursday, Friday class, you're going to be doing a team quiz together, like as a round of practice. This homework number 4 is an individual practice quiz. You got to have both those done, and then you're ready for the first summative quiz of the year. And that'll be Thursday, Friday, and I'll allow you to turn that in until next Tuesday, the 29th. Okay, and we'll talk more about that as class goes. For us, in a summative quiz environment, if you're wondering about how we're going to do summatives in distance learning, well, you're going to get a set time period. You're going to get a couple tries. We'll talk about this more next week. You'll be expected to have academic integrity. You can use the notes in the calculator, but you have to have the practice test done first, and then you can actually take the test. So that's kind of how it all works. Team quiz information, you get another round of practice by working with your team. That'll be done in class on Thursday, Friday. We'll talk about picking one person to be your submitter because it submits it for all of you. We'll talk about that when we get to class on Thursday or Friday. And then just general homework information and how the grade works. Infinite Campus updates every night between midnight and 2 a.m. and missing assignments get zeros on Mondays and Wednesdays. You can redo all of your work until we take that summative quiz. So everything for this part of the chapter or this chapter is due by next Tuesday. Okay? And if you get stuck, make sure you watch the videos that are included at the end of every question. Email your base groups. I created emails already and pushed those out to you guys. You can use those or do it on your own, however you want to do it. Message people, and then make sure you include the assignment number, problem number, and screenshot's always helpful. So this is kind of a big week because we wrap everything up and we give you an opportunity to show me what you know in the form of taking your first summative quiz of the year. Let's have a good week, and I'll see you either tomorrow or Tuesday. Have a great day.